So my name is Gareth McCown. I'm 51 years old, and I've been coming to Dr. Snow for about 10 years now. And I am in the construction field. So in the construction field, it's very important to stay limber and mobile. And being 51, sometimes that might seem a little harder to attain, but coming here, I can keep up with the young guys and have no problem doing that. My life is not without back history. I've not always had the perfect back. So when in my early 40s, I had a herniated disc, and the doctors recommended that I would have surgery to get it repaired, and they told me that I would probably never walk right again. I'd always drag a leg, and that hasn't been the case. I opted not to do surgery. I decided to go through, let Dr. Snow coach me through it, and along with nutrition, chiropractic, and the good Lord, today I'm 51. And I can run, I can jump, I can lift, and I can do anything that I want to do. And I'm very grateful for Dr. Snow for that.